Hello friends, I am Srishti Srivastava from Podium Tech Team, the Toppers community. Today we have with us Mr. Praveen Kalla, an alumnus of IIT Bhubaneswar. In this video, he will tell us about his preparation journey and important tips on note making, time management, revision, etc. Hello sir. First of all, congratulations.
Yes, thank you for inviting me for this talk.
Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Praveet. I have graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar in electrical engineering. Presently, I am studying for PSUs and engineering services examination. I have secured All India rank 15 in GATE 2021.
Okay. And my first question is, what was your first reaction when you saw the result? Did you expect such good rank?
By actually seeing in the MEDISI rank predictors, I have expected below 50 rank, but not a 15. So I felt very happy on seeing the result. I rechecked it, rechecked it again, looking at the result, so that I was sure to make myself sure that it's actually 15. So I felt very happy. After 2 years of struggle, I finally got that result. So it matters me a lot.
Okay. What do you think was the right, what do you think is the right times to start the preparation? Like when did you start?
Like I actually started after my graduation. In my college days, I never thought of giving GATE and all. I thought of actually going into the placements and joining a good company. But due to few reasons, I have started after graduation. I left my job and then started preparing for GATE. But if you want the correct time to start the preparation, I would suggest somewhere around third year would be correct time for the preparation, because most of the technical syllabus will be completed at the time, and only you need to have a few areas to you need to cover, and right time for the preparation would be in mid third year to like in the January or December,
Sure,
so that they can get a good rank in fourth year.
sure. And what was your daily routine during the preparation, like study routine?
Like for study routine, since it was lockdown in the country last year, so I used to follow my notes in the morning. I am actually a early riser, so I used to wake up early and then have few exercises and then meditation, and then I used to start my day at around 9 o'clock, and then it used to have a study a session of 9 to 12, and then in the afternoon one session from 2 to 5, and then evening in the night one session. So that sums up around 8 to 10 hours in a day.
Okay. And how did you made your notes? Like any tips on that?
Like to make a notes, I usually GATE requires a lot of practice in questions. So my notes actually have a little bit of more questions based rather than theory based. I theory actually I used to note the important formula or important definitions and everything in a separate short notes, and only for the questions, problematic questions which are the best in the test series or in any material which I got. So I used to have that note in a separate book. So which it helps me to revise in the last moment, and also by seeing that I could actually get the idea of how GATE questions will be.
Okay. So during the preparation, did you have any moments of self-doubt or demotivation? How did you handle them?
It's self-doubts and demotivation will be common for every aspirant, because we never know the result. So even though my preparation will be 100% sure, even though there will be a slight doubt where I can feel that maybe this year something may go wrong. So during those times, I always concentrated on boosting my things. Like however be the exam paper or however be the situation, I can get at least a rank below 500 or like something like that from the test series. So I can guarantee that I can get 60 to 70 marks in the paper, however the paper may be. So I used to have this kind of mindset before going for the exam. So I can guarantee that anyhow I have no doubts that I can get below 60. So I actually have a MTech option in my this thing.
Sure.
So only getting for PSUs is getting that extra 10 marks. So mindset is actually important in the exam. So that 10 marks getting is not that difficult and not that easy to. So it all depends on the day of the exam.
Yes, sure. Did you join any coaching or self-studies?
No, it was self-study last year.
Okay. So would you recommend any books for people like who are studying self-study?
Like for self-studying, if you're preparing and like you started early off and you have a lot of time, then I would suggest you to prepare standard books that are available for every material. But if you don't have time and you need some crisp subjects like you can't study everything. You won't have any idea what to study and what not to study. So if you are in that stage, I would recommend to buy any coaching material, MedEasy or AS or anything. So that would be helpful because it saves a lot of time and effort. You won't study unnecessarily unimportant topics.
Okay. And what about maths and aptitude? Did you practice them daily?
Aptitude, I have confident that I can get it because I used to give tests before also, and even for the college placements, I have studied for aptitude. So especially for aptitude, I didn't prepare separately. For maths also, I was good at maths in my intermediate. So the GATE syllabus mostly is intermediate maths, and it doesn't require much higher concepts. So I used to practice it in the last few months, and that's it about maths. Nothing much.
And what about test series? Did you give any test series?
Yeah, I have joined MedEasy, ACE, and GradeUp test series. I used to give tests only when at a regular interval, so that I get used to it. So my slot was in the morning slot, 9:30 to 12:30. So I make sure that around in the last month, around 9:30 to 12:30, weekly two to three tests. I make sure that I will give that, and I used to make a note of all the important questions or whatever mistakes I'm making. So I started giving the test series, and then I started reducing my silly mistakes or conceptual errors, and then I started rectifying those, and which actually helped me to get those 5 to 10 marks extra.
And like what your marks during the test series, were they always so good and consistent or not?
No, as I said, I used to only have the target of 60 to 70 marks. So that was actually what I look for in every test. So as usual, the test series questions will be slightly to the higher level of GATE. So I used to only have that choosing the right question in the right time, so that my marks would increase. So I have that attitude towards the exam, so that at the end I used to get around 60 to 17 almost all test series, almost all tests. Maybe few tests I have left out in the middle of the exam, so I used to get a little 50 like that. But rest everything I used to score good.
Okay. And what was your revision strategy?
I started my revision around mid-December to Jan. So I only took one material, and I started revising that my notes and my material. So around 2 to 3 times I revised that only my notes and material, so that I got used to all the types of models of questions and then all types of formula. And for GATE especially, it's important to have formulas and tips. So that helps a lot because it saves a lot of time. You can't derive everything, or you can't when you see a new model in the question paper, you shouldn't get tensed. So actually, getting 60 to 70 marks is easy in GATE if you have the formula at your fingertips and all the concepts. those extra marks you can gain with the time you have extra time that is left out.
Okay. And how did you manage your time during the exam?
So during the exam, I planned to complete 1 mark questions in the first hour and then 2 marks question in the next 2 hours. But this year it was jumbled questions type. Like there was no separate 1 marks and 2 marks column. So the questions kept jumbled 1 mark and 2 marks, and randomly they came. So I had I didn't follow anything. So I just started solving all the problems. Whenever I have faced any doubt or I didn't get any answer, just used to mark it and then I used to continue. So by the time of 2.5 hours, I have completed all questions except 5 or 6. So that questions I solved in the last half an hour.
And how did you avoid the distractions like social media and stuff?
I completely avoided social media. I thought if I am going to get something, then I should have to lose something. So I sacrificed social media for the last 2 to 3 months completely, and only concentrated on the GATE.
Okay. And how did you improve your accuracy?
So in exams like GATE, actually accuracy is important, and also for the PSU recruitment exams, you need to have high accuracy. So for 120 marks, you need to get 100 above 100, or for the 100 marks, you need to get above 90. So it requires accuracy mostly, and you can develop it by actually reducing your silly mistakes. So we commit more silly mistakes like putting wrong values in the formula, or having wrong forgotten the formula, or calculation mistakes, putting wrong like not get used to with GATE calculator. So these are the mistakes generally we perform, even though we know how to solve, even though we get the answer when we are solving in the home. But in the examination hall, in that pressure, we tend to do the mistakes. So beforehand, during the test series, we have to make sure that these mistakes are get reduced, so that you get the upper hand above few others, so you get better rank.
Sure. And at last, do you have any message for the future aspirants?
Don't read from too many materials. I would like to suggest take one material and then revise it multiple times, so that actually you'll get used to whatever is there. If you are taking one material and then completing and then going to other material and then completing at the time of revision, you will face this difficulty, and you will not have that concept clarity in your mind.
Sure.
So instead of that, take one material and then complete it and then revise it until 2 to 3 times until you get all the concepts clear. And then if you have any doubts or you want extra things, you can refer to other materials.
Sure. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time and guidance.
Thank you.
I would also like to thank our viewers for watching this video till the end. Do follow the playlist of your respective branch for more such videos and recruitment updates from ESE, GATE, PSUs, etc. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss an update. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.